In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a template in Docusign. Now, this is a crucial skill to have, especially if you're managing documents across teams or ensuring the right people have access to important templates. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Docusign website. You'll want to make sure you're visiting the official Docusign page, which is renowned for its electronic signature capabilities and intelligent agreement management system. Once you're there, look for the login button. You'll typically find this at the top right of the page, ready to connect you to your personalized dashboard. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for all things Docusign, acting as a convenient launchpad for all the actions you need to perform. From here, locate the Agreements section. This is where all your active documents and templates are stored, giving you a comprehensive view of everything you've worked on or need to manage. With the Agreements page open, the next step is to find the specific document for which you'd like to transfer ownership. Look out for a three-dot icon, often situated alongside each listed document. This icon is your access point to further options and is used to perform various actions on your document. Click on the three-dot icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu offering several options. What we're interested in here is the transfer ownership feature. By selecting this, you initiate the transfer process, allowing you to designate a new owner for the selected template. When you choose to transfer ownership, you'll need to enter the recipient's details, such as their email address or their Docusign user ID. This is a crucial step, so make sure you verify the information carefully to ensure the new owner receives the rights seamlessly. Transferring ownership can be particularly useful in scenarios where someone else, perhaps a new team member or an external partner, needs to take over the management or updates of a document. Once you've entered the necessary details, confirm the transfer action. You might be prompted to complete a few more additional steps or verifications, but rest assured Docusign guides you through these with clear instructions. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred ownership of a template in Docusign. This process is straightforward yet powerful, playing an essential role in document management by ensuring the right person is in charge of the right document. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.